Many gardeners believe that colorful summer displays require full sun. In reality, some of the most elegant and reliable perennials thrive in shade or partial shade. These plants bring texture, foliage interest, and seasonal blooms to balconies, patios, and condo gardens where sunlight is limited. Today, we are looking at 10 beautiful shade-loving perennials that can brighten outdoor spaces all summer long while requiring surprisingly little maintenance. Coral bells are valued as much for their foliage as for their flowers. Modern varieties come in shades of lime green, deep purple, silver, caramel, and almost black. The colorful leaves create contrast in containers and mixed plantings. During summer, delicate flower spikes rise above the foliage and attract pollinators. Coral bells maintain their appearance for much of the growing season, making them one of the best choices for adding year-round interest to shady balconies. Japanese forest grass brings graceful movement to shaded spaces. Its arching leaves create a soft, cascading effect that works beautifully in containers and raised planters. Golden varieties can help brighten darker corners, while green forms create a calm and natural appearance. The flowing texture adds a sense of elegance that few other shade plants can match. Astilbe is known for its feathery flower plumes that appear throughout summer. The blooms come in shades of white, pink, lavender, and red. Even after flowering, the attractive foliage continues to provide texture. Astilbe performs especially well where the soil remains consistently moist. For gardeners looking to add vertical interest in shade, Astilbe is often a dependable choice. Despite its unusual name, lungwort is one of the most attractive shade perennials available. Its leaves are decorated with silver markings that remain attractive from spring through fall. The early season flowers appear in shades of blue, pink, and violet. Even when not in bloom, the foliage serves as an eye-catching feature in containers and small garden spaces. Hellebores are often celebrated for their early blooms, but their handsome evergreen foliage continues to provide structure throughout summer. The leathery leaves create a strong architectural presence that complements softer plants nearby. They tolerate shade exceptionally well and bring a refined appearance to patios and balconies. Brunnera is frequently grown for its heart-shaped leaves, especially the silver-leaved varieties. The foliage reflects available light, helping shaded areas appear brighter and more open. Small blue flowers appear in spring, but the real attraction remains the decorative leaves that persist throughout the season. Brunnera pairs beautifully with hostas and ferns for a layered shade garden display. Few plants symbolize shade gardening better than ferns. Their finely divided fronds introduce texture, depth, and movement to any planting arrangement. Many fern species perform exceptionally well in containers and require little maintenance once established. Whether used alone or combined with flowering perennials, ferns provide a lush woodland character that remains attractive throughout summer. Hostas remain one of the most popular shade perennials for good reason. Their large leaves come in countless colors, patterns, and sizes. Some varieties feature blue foliage, while others display striking white or gold variegation. Hostas create bold visual impact even when flowers are absent. In container gardens, they serve as reliable focal points that continue improving year after year. Toad lily is often described as one of the hidden gems of shade gardening. As summer transitions toward fall, orchid-like flowers appear along the stems. The intricate spotted blooms provide unexpected color when many other plants begin slowing down. Its unique flowering habit makes it a conversation piece in any shaded garden setting. Bleeding Heart combines elegant foliage with unforgettable flowers. While its spring blooms are famous, Many newer varieties continue offering attractive foliage throughout the growing season. The finely textured leaves soften hard surfaces and blend naturally with other shade-loving plants. For gardeners seeking both romance and structure in a shaded balcony garden, Bleeding Heart remains a timeless favorite. A successful shade garden is not about overcoming limitations. It is about working with conditions that many plants actually prefer. By combining foliage textures, leaf colors, and staggered bloom times, even the smallest balcony or condo garden can become vibrant and visually interesting throughout summer. With the right selection of shade-loving perennials, low-light spaces can become some of the most beautiful areas in the garden. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this guide, let us know which shade perennial is your favorite and how you use it in your own garden.